Hello friends, welcome to TechTechGuide. Today I will show you how to change photo in Canva template. First of all, head on to Canva from your favorite browser. In my case, I am using Google Chrome. Then over here, I will choose one blank design. Okay, I'll choose this one. Then over here, I will search for one template, CV template. Then hit enter. I will choose this one. Okay, I've chosen this template. Over here you can see here is one of resume template. Now if I want to change this image, first of all click on this image and over here click on this delete. You can find delete frame or delete image. Click on delete image and now you can see image is deleted from this frame. Now you can add your own photo by just dragging it over this frame. And also you can resize by double clicking over here and dragging it to the frame and hit enter. In this way we can replace image in Canva template. If you find this helpful and want more, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have a good time.